Let there be love. Let there always be love for Deena and Avin as they joined hands and heart in their journey of marriage and love together.
You're my, always you're my, forever you're my reality. You're my sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly. And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do.
A family is the soil where sisterhood is sown. Years of building trust and love, a friendship we have made as young girls. We shared secrets, giggled late into the night, bickered over clothes to wear, and slammed doors when we fought. But as childhood is outgrown, each of our relationships as 5 sisters have taken a new dynamic. The lessons we have learned through the early years from both mom and dad are what bonds us together today.
I remember the first time Keith came into this world. I was so excited to catch sight of this beady-eyed baby, this little boy that, one day would grow into a fine specimen of a man. Handsome, smart, loving, caring, charming, ambitious. And Deena, as you can tell this evening, a gentleman.
Live on our knees.
Deena, today we hand over our little brother to you. He is the jewel of our home and the youngest. So I ask you to take good care of him and love him as fiercely as I know that he loves you.
We welcome each of you, family members, all our specially invited guests from both members of the Gokul family and the Ramlagan family, friends of Deena and Avin. We welcome each of you to this very auspicious and momentous occasion.
You are a truly blessed person, Deena. Take a second, just look around. You are surrounded this evening by only loved ones in this magical arena. And it is because of the person you are and the manner in which you have lived your entire life. Honest, spiritual, and compassionate. Avin, I first want to take this opportunity to officially welcome you as a son to my parents, a brother to the 4 girls, and that of Vidal, Suraj, Shane, and of course my husband Rakesh. We simply could not have asked for a more perfect brother and a son to complete our Ramlagan's puzzle. I know it's been 9 long years of waiting patiently before Deena actually allowed you a chance into her life.
To my wife, who is looking absolutely stunning, by the way, thank you for everything you have done. You know everything about me. Well, you know me 9 years now, you must have. And you love me just the same. I have my faults, yet you totally agree to marry me. There aren't any words I can truly express how much I love you. You have already changed my life in so many ways, and I know it's just going to get better from here. I'm extremely lucky today to be the one to marry you, and I know for a fact this is the start of many happy years together. On behalf of my wife and I would like everyone to raise their glasses as I make this toast. Happy marriages begin when we marry the one we love, and they blossom when we love the one we marry. My greatest wish for both of us is that as time swiftly passes us by, our love for each other shall deepen and grow, and years from now, we can reflect on this day, our wedding day, as the day we love each other the least. To a happy marriage. Thank you.
Weddings are truly a time of fun, but also it's a time of love and uniting of not just two hearts, but two families and the building of a bond we can only hope and pray will strengthen with time. To the lovely bride and groom, Deena, you look absolutely stunning, by the way. Congratulations on behalf of the Gokul family and welcome. Welcome not just as a sister-in-law and a daughter-in-law, but as a daughter and a sister. We love you and we wish only prosperity and love in this bond that both of you have created today.
I think Keith knew he will be here today because he had met the perfect woman. These two have that magical type of romance that I thought you only see in the movies. I am so lucky to be experiencing your big day here.
Congratulations to you both, and thanks to that divine being for creating an everlasting spark on your first date, the magic show. Let this magic continue to spark as you love each other today, tomorrow, and for the rest of your life.
Let's raise our glasses and toast to the magnificent couple, Mr. and Mrs. Gokul.
My greatest wish for both of us is that as time swiftly passes us by, our love for each other shall deepen and grow, and years from now, we can reflect on this day, our wedding day, as the day we love each other the least. To a happy marriage. Thank you.